everyone, I'm Tatum and I'm the Digital Marketing Manager at Nutrimeals, and I'm here to show you how you will create an account when you would like to order one of our new subscription boxes that we just launched. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to our homepage, as you see here, and the icon you're looking for is up here in the right corner, the one that looks like a little person. This is where all of the account information is stored. If you already have an account, this is where you'll log in, but I'm going to show you how to create an account. So right here where it says create an account is where you're going to want to click, and you will just begin filling out all your personal information. We'll just put in some demonstration purposes information here. We'll use our contact email. You will use any email that you would like, and you can subscribe if you would like. I'm going to unsubscribe as this is our work email address. And you'll put in your phone number, and then you're going to want to create a password here. So I've created my password. We're going to scroll down to the very last question on this page, which is, did you purchase a meal box? If you have purchased one or you are about to purchase one, you're going to want to click yes, and this is going to take you to the preferences page that I was referring to earlier. So you're going to click next, and this is the page. So there are various different allergy options, vegetables, proteins, carbs, fruit. Anything that you would like in your box, you're going to choose down here. And any allergies or intolerances you have, you can specify here. If you have none, just simply select none. And then down here, you will just select anything that you do like and that you would like to be included in your box. And you can alter this as you wish. If you no longer want a certain thing, you can come back into your account and alter it, and that will be reflected in your future boxes from us. So I'm just going to select some preferences here, and when you're done, you can just click the create account at the bottom of the screen here. And you may get a notification like this to check the verification link to activate the account. So you just want to go to your email and find the link and click there to verify your account.